alkaline health coach and regenerative detoxification specialist. And today I am here to show you an unboxing of a Miami fruit order. I'm super excited. I placed my order recently for a subscription of mangoes, and this is a large box that I just received. It was really important to me to start with a subscription with Miami Fruit because I was coming out of a really long winter of just eating a lot of cooked foods and really wanting to get back on the raw protocol, the raw food, living food protocol, as my mentor, Dr. Robert Morse, teaches. And I've actually experienced amazing healing through his program. I was 2.5 years raw, and then I experimented with some fasting as well. And then this winter I was just having such amazing health and vitality that I thought, you know what, I can introduce a little bit more cooked foods now and then, just as an effort to ground and to work with the emotional body. Sometimes, you know, when you're on a high living food diet, especially fruits, you can get a little out there. So as an emotional being, most of you who know me will know that I am a very expressive, emotional person. I need to work on grounding myself. So I did that throughout the winter, and I'm really excited now because I've been raw primarily for the last maybe month and a half now. And I have noticed a huge transformation since the winter in my thoughts, in my emotions. You do really help to balance your emotional body when you are on fruits, but always keeping up a practice of grounding is very important to balance yourself out, because fruit are electrical foods, just like us. We're electrical beings, and they literally light up the nervous system, giving us a lot of energy and vitality. And for some of us who aren't really used to that, we're used to a lot of cooked and processed foods, it might feel a little too out there. So I'm really excited though that I got back on the fruit, and thanks to these beauties, I have the highest quality fruit coming in to Toronto, Canada, which is kind of unheard of. You know, by the time we get fruit, like, first of all, they're picking it unripe, and then they're sending it here. You know, by the time we get it, it's already starting to ferment and go off. It never really properly ripened on the vine anyway. So thanks to these beauties, I have fruit that is high quality and very alkaline forming because it was tree ripened. So that's when the simple sugars come in through that ripening stage, that the fruit becomes very alkaline forming. And that is very important for healing, because many of us are too much on the acidic side with our diet and our lifestyle choices being primarily acidic, stress being the biggest acidifier we're faced with today. We really have to look at an alkaline diet and an alkaline lifestyle. So let's see what I got here. Oh, I got a beautiful brochure, and they send some really cool stickers. I'm really excited about these. Put some on my laptop recently. And we will see what's in the box. So they use all biodegradable packaging, which I really love. So throw that right into your compost. And they have the most special mangoes that I've ever tried. These long, kind of green mangoes, they actually don't turn yellow. They stay green, but they are so sweet and so delicious. They're ripe when they're green. But they have like almost like a floral taste to them. I'm really excited that they sent me those ones, because with Miami Fruit, you're never really sure what exact mangoes you're gonna get. They just have so many varieties. So far I have 3 huge mangoes, and let's see. Whoa, 4 more mangoes. I'm so excited. So these look really, really good, and I'm really excited to share with you the abundance that I have coming into my life this time. You know, our thoughts, our emotions, this is how we create. You know, we start with an intention, and then we have an emotion that drives us to act. And if any of you are working on your spiritual development, fruits will really, really help you to create what it is that you want in your life. because they do help us achieve the higher states of consciousness since they don't plug up the colon. So this is what I've got, guys. This is pretty cool. I have about 4, 5, 6, I have 7 mangoes here that are like enormous. This could feed like, me for at least 2 days, even if I was just doing, I like to do like fruit till about 4 p.m. So I'll eat fruit all day, and then after 4 p.m. get into some of the salads and some of the greens that are particularly grounding. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope you will check out miamifruit.org. They're such wonderful people. You could also find them on Instagram, and if you have any questions for me, feel free to reach out anytime. I'm always here to be of service to you in terms of your healing journey. So think of me as a resource center for healing, and thank you so